Justin and I are headed to Walmart and the Academy, about an hour away. We're on the move. We got a service dog with us. Hey, buddy.
We hold him.
Yeah. Hopefully nobody steals this. Get some of the essentials here. Oh, that's what I'm looking for. We got a stove, some butane, cooking supplies, a little bit of food for the next 2 or 3 days, some snacks, and we just sweat our asses off in the hot sun for the past 15 minutes making sandwiches. So, headed to St. Louis. Also, got walkie-talkies.
Hold myself to a chord, waiting for the day that you come back to me.
We did a full send from Atlanta to Kansas City yesterday. And I'm kind of tired. It was a 17-hour day with taking the dog out, like just stopping, getting food, grocery shopping, getting camping supplies. Now we're headed to Denver and we're gonna go find some car camping. Yo, tell me walkie-talkies are not.
Yo, walkie check 1 2.
Make it happen. 10 out of 10. So we stopped over by the middle of the highway. See some of this. Kansas, baby. Kansas.
It's true.
It's Colorado.
Moving step across the floor.
Also known as Colourbus. It's still flat. It's getting loaded up over here. So we're on the way to a mountain bike park with Christian and Ariana, and it's Justin's first time mountain biking.
Weed out here.
It smells like weed. We're in Colorado. We're over in Lakewood, like Denver area. There's some goats. Really couldn't see that, but yeah, we got Mav in the back. So what's up, Mav?
Big shit.
Yeah, so first adventure of Denver. Here we go.
It's true. You've been dreaming. Come with me, I'll help you wake up. And you know that
Yo, what's up? Brewery time.
Yeah, it is.
if you wanna get it alone.
Dude, our transition